The company page allows you to create custom lists. If you wanted to create a list titled Prospects with Name and Title, for example, if you wanted to do a mailing, the results would look similar to this. Let's learn how to create a custom list like this. Starting from the All Companies list, click Add Filter. This list is custom to each Telenotes client, so this is an example. Your list of labels might be slightly different. Scroll down and select Status, then Prospect, then click Apply Filter. Next, let's add another filter, and select Contact Title. Type in the title you're looking for, then click Apply Filter. Next, you can customize the columns by getting rid of the columns you don't want and adding the columns that you do want. When ready, click Apply. Your custom list will be displayed. You can then use the Export tool to export this list and drop it into your favorite email marketing tool. Click Save As to save your list with a custom name, then click Save. Your new custom list will then be saved under My Lists. At any time, you can click All Companies to get back to the main list. And that's how you create custom lists in the Telenotes CRM.